rage nowadays. You Twitter, John?
Not at all.
You don't Twitter? Steve?
I'm not a Twitter.
See, no one Twitters. This is a Twitter-free zone. It's a lovely day out here. A tweeter?
Tweeting. Not much of a tweeter.
Are you in water?
I saw her today at the reception. Glass of wine in her hand. Knew she was gonna meet her connection. At her feet was a footloose man. I said you can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. What if you try sometimes? Well, you just might find you get what you need. Get what you need. Well, I went down to the demonstration just to get my fair share of abuse. Singing words are gonna vent all of their frustration. If we don't, we're gonna blow a 50 AM fuse. I'm telling you, you can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. Oh, and if you try sometime, well, you just might find what you need. prescription failed, and I saw my song and my friend Jimmy. And man, did it look very ill. We decided that we would have a soda, my favorite flavor, cherry red. And I sung my song to my friend Jimmy, and he said one word to me and I'll never forget. I said to him, you can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. You can't always get what you want. Oh, if you try sometime, well, you just might find get what you need. Yeah, yeah. Get what you need. What you want, and you can't always get what you want. What you want, what you want, you can't always get what you want. No, 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 no. But if you try sometime, well, you just might find get what you need.